So this is Obboto, an AI-powered pixel art mood companion lamp that instantly brings to mind the iconic Sphere in Las Vegas. This 17cm orb features 2,500 LEDs capable of displaying vibrant emojis, live weather visuals, and mesmerizing light shows. Designed to be both interactive and mindful, it responds to your mood. Tap it, laugh, or express frustration, and it plays real-time pixel animations like a grumpy cloud or a dancing cat. It also functions as a sleep aid and sunrise alarm, glowing warmly when it senses a yawn and gradually brightening to ease you into the day. With music and touch reactive features, it's the ultimate desk statement. Part art piece, part smart companion. So I'm really excited to do the unboxing and trying out. So enough said, let's get on with it, shall we? So here it goes. All right, so let's open it up. Okay, manual here shows you what sort of app related. Oh, just pull it out. It's a black sphere. Yeah, you can see all these LED light bulbs. Obboto, soften sort of surface here. Two of them. Logo, well, I think this might be a vent. Maybe a sound, we shall see, but it's either a sound or vent. And four corner of the leg. And, oh, also the power plug as well. And it's relatively light. Ah, nice. Power plug for 220 to 240 voltage. This is a mobile phone pin that should help you to reset it, which is the button here. Let's plug it in, shall we? Ah, look at that. So as you can see, the Obboto sign is ever so slowly blinking, letting you know what this is. And I'm starting to get a feel that this is actually the microphone hole that will be able to listen to you. And this seems more like a sensor detecting your move, like a PIR sensor, isn't it? I think there are apparently 3 of them. That's pretty cool. So here's the app. Let's open it up. Ah, we got the same animation here. So it says, welcome to Obboto. So plus button, and we need to set it up. So it found it. Let's actually connect it. Right, so it has been connected. So let's press next. Where the location I'm based at. How do you identify? How old are you? What's your work situation? What's your living situation? Where did you put me? What do you want me to do for you? Okay, daily task, explore now. So we need to update, and I'll come back to you soon on this. Okay, so after more than 200 seconds, it has now been updated. So the app itself, it says hello LJP Tech. So we could go for sleep, sunrise alarm as well, information display, meditation, sync with music, focus. Okay, so that's for the home. If you want to explore, then the, okay, this is all the display, top rated display of all these pixelated light. That's pretty cool actually. There's several of them, which we will try out later on. And lastly, on the creation mode, you can actually put, oh right, currently only GIF files, GIF files are supported. So you can actually put in GIF images. So let's jump into fun, shall we? So I saw Pac-Man early on. Let's try it out. Look at that. All these LED, those are quite interesting, quite unique. I was expecting like a square LED, but it's rounded all the way through. So if we zoom out, that's how it looks like. Let's actually turn off the light, shall we? Just for the sake of your benefit. That's how it looks like. It's good, isn't it? Ah, Super Mario. Is that just one side? It is. That, color quilt, and dual flow, split view. Okay, so this is sugary and violet bloom. I like that. It's like a robot with feelings. Heart, Pac-Man, Daft Dog, Burger Bite, Building Burger. bicep flex, aqua lines, streamer. You know, that's quite cool actually. I could put that on my background while I review stuff. Blue horizon, color splash. So let's try this sleep mode, shall we? So quick start, and you can select the light theme, something like that, and select the light. So we could go for different options of breeze whisper, crickets serenade, firewood warmth, rain lullaby, warm dreamland. If you imagine that's actually on the background next to you while you go to sleep, it's a smooth light. It's not that intrusive, it's mild and calm. So for the functionality wise, you can actually change all these. Again, adjust the brightness of it, okay, up and down, and then you can set a time, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 10 minutes, 50 minutes, or maybe more, and you can add the sound as well. And then, all right, we've got plenty of sound, and you could also add the sleep sound as well. In regards to fading, you can choose up to, what is it? Wow, 60 minutes of fading function. This should be really cool until wake up or etc. If we press the go to sleep now, okay, it says enjoy your beautiful dream, and to be able to come out of it, you just need to hold the stop button for 3 seconds. Okay, and that's how it works. So let's jump into sunrise alarm. If you click on it, it says wake me up. So I actually turned it on. Currently it's 9:21, so 1 minute away. But if we want to repeat it, you just click on every day, and there's the light before alarm function. So if I were to click on that, you get a pop-up saying that you need at least 30 minutes to be able to get this function working. So that's how it is. Alarm sound, again, you can actually choose from all these sound, and yeah, let's choose that one, and then add to wake me up sound, and also snooze mode. And to be able to turn it off, you just need to tap it here, and the snooze mode would actually be every 8 minutes until you double tap to turn it off. Okay, so that's the alarm set in 4:25 because that's the current time in Asia, because the time zone is set up in Asia. So that's pretty loud, isn't it? So that's how you turn it off. Okay, so if you were to go for the information display, currently, because it's in a very early stage, I'm the early adapter, the only display function is this time. So if we apply this style, you're going to see the actual rounded time of display. That's quite clever actually. So we can also try different display, and if we click on this one, there's this like a blue where still the time is displaying. This is a different type of blue. I kind of like this one again. And this is the other pixelated view. Again, this could be quite nice. So currently there are 3 different types of display while the time is shown. And that is really nice. So now let's jump into the meditation, and there seems to be 2 different types. So the echoes of serenity, and what's this, like you can actually do continuous play or up to 6 minutes. Let's try 1 minute, and brightness and volume of loud, and press start. You know what, this is quite nice actually. So the next one is sync with music. If we were to press that and press start, and then press the music, this is the audio library. So this would be syncing with your favorite melody. In this case, it's like a techno, and this is how it displays it. So it's a visual effect to your music, which is quite nice. In fact, it could actually recognize my voice as well. See that? That's pretty cool. So So the last one is focus. So I presume this is where Obboto becomes like an AI function, like your best buddy, because it says Obboto will always be by your side. So if you were to click on it on next select sound, there's a loft music that you can choose from. So this is all the variation of the music, or you can choose the sound of Roboto's own sound. So if we start now, okay, so that's the loft music. And if we were to stop that and go to the Obboto and choose Obboto as an own sound and start now, and you can see Obboto reading a book, okay? In which I believe this is a stage where through the sensor and the mic, Obboto will be able to interact with you and so on. Now, talking about interaction, if you go to settings and click on Obbo, you can actually adjust the interactive level from low, medium to high and so on. So that's quite interesting as well. So I would prefer to put it on high. Now, if you go to the creation page on the bottom right hand side, currently only GIF files are supported. So press that and then it will lead you to this page and press that. And if I go here, this is the meme one that I actually have downloaded, and you have to basically clip it. Okay. So there you go. That's how you add the GIF file, and that's really cool. You can have a lot of fun with this, and it's good to know that it works. Now, I have reviewed few LED display units on my channel, but this Obboto is quite unique because it's a sphere with 2,500 LED light bulb, which is really cool, and it's really nice feature to have as a display anywhere on your desktop, which because it has a flat feet and so on. But it also has the sleep function and sunrise alarm, meditation, also sync with music, and the focus, which I understand to be an AI function as well. Quite rightly, because it has a sensor, 2 of them in the front with a microphone, 2 of them in the front as well, and a sensor on the back, so that it will be able to detect your movement and your sound, and it will constantly interact with you, while you can actually adjust the interaction level as well, which I'm really looking forward to have it right on my desk, carry out my work and live my life with the best buddy right next to me with a brilliant display indeed. So I hope this video helped you understand how cool this Obboto is. But if you have any queries, please do comment below, and thank you very much for watching this video. This is LJP Tech. All the best. Bye bye.